and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most juicy, delicious and flavorful pork chop. We will do this on the stove top and then we'll finish it up in the oven. So here I have some fresh pork chop that I went ahead and washed and patted them dry. And for my seasonings here I have some canola oil spray and I have some dry herbs. Here I have some oregano, thyme, parsley, and some basil. I have here some black pepper, some seasoned salt, paprika, complete seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. So to get started, we'll begin by combining all of our seasonings. Mix until well combined. Next, we'll go ahead and spray our oil spray on both sides of our pork chop. You can use whatever oil you like for this step. Then we will go ahead and generously coat our pork chop with our seasoning rub. We will coat them generously and then we'll set them aside to marinate for about 2 hours or as long as you like. So here in a small bowl, I have some minced garlic and some fresh herbs. I have thyme, rosemary, and parsley. And here I'll be using some butter and some Heinz 57 sauce. This Heinz 57 sauce is great on pork, steak, or chicken. But if you don't have this, you can certainly leave it out. You don't have to use it. So basically, we'll be combining all of these ingredients. Mix well and we'll set it aside for later. Now this Heinz 57 sauce in this butter mix, guys, is so delicious. It is so great on pork chops, and if you're making a steak, it's also great on that. It adds a nice little zesty flavor and a slight sweetness, and it is so delicious. We will mix this all well and we'll set it aside and we'll add it to the pork chop in the end. So here in my cast iron skillet, guys, I did went in with about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I will add my pork chop. I will try to fit all of them in here, guys, because I'm so lazy. I want to stick the entire pan in the oven. But if you don't have a pan that goes in the oven, you can certainly cook 2 at a time and just place them on a baking dish and then sit them in the oven. It is so easy. And I will place my pork chop in here and let them cook for about 3 minutes on each side. And by the way, my heat is on medium high. You want to get a good sear, so you keep the heat, slightly on the high level. And once you get a good sear on your pork chops, we will stick this in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So right out of the oven, while they're still hot, we will now go in with that butter spread. And guys, these smell so amazing. Like all those herbs and everything just comes right through. And it is so yummy and delicious. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. We will generously coat these pork chops on both sides with that butter and get ready to serve. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious, juicy and moist pork chop. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is absolutely amazing. And I will be pairing mine up with some garlic mashed potatoes and some stir-fried vegetables. Absolutely delicious. I do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!